Good afternoon, Room 23 students. Today we're going to talk about unsquaring numbers. Take a look at the image to my left. What numbers could the placeholders in these problems represent? In the first problem, some number times some number equals 4. The factors of... Good afternoon, Room 23 students. Today we're going to talk about unsquaring numbers. I want you to take a look at the image to my left right here. What numbers do you think would make these statements true? What numbers could go in the boxes? In the first problem, some number times some number equals 4. We know that the factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Another way we can write the problem is like this. N times n equals 4. Right over my face right there. So what might that n represent? I think you're right. It's called a variable, and a variable could be anything. It could even be a red banana. However, since we're talking about math, we know it's a number. If both of the placeholders are the same letter, like these n's right there, they're both n's, so they both have to be the same number. So we have 1, 2, and 4 as variables, as factors of 4. So what could go in the box if those boxes are n's? I wonder. I bet you're right, but I'm not going to tell you what number it is. If we look at the second problem and we decide to use a variable, it would look like this. Just like that. M squared equals 81. What could M represent? What number would make this number sentence true? Remember, when we square a number, that's that 2 as an exponent, we're multiplying one number by itself. We're not multiplying m by 2. We're multiplying m times m. What could that m be? I wonder. Problems like this are called unsquaring a number or finding the square root. That's what we just did. If you multiply a number by itself to find the square, you must undo that multiplication in order to find the square root. Today in class, we found all of the square numbers through 100. Remember the numbers we had to multiply in order to get these numbers? Those are the square roots. Tomorrow we're going to be doing a lot of finding square roots, and not just of numbers up to 100. We're going to be looking at really big numbers. In the comments section below tonight, I'd like you to explain to me the difference between a square root and a square number. I'll see you tomorrow.